You shall come with me.
Has the Supreme Dalek come to a decision yet?
Yes, you must come with me.
I have absolutely no intention in doing so until I have found out what is to become of me.
Obey!
Or what? You can't exterminate me. If the Supreme Dalek wants me dead, he would only want to kill me himself, not let some bitter guard do it. Well?
He has decided that your life will be spared.
Excellent.
But you will still be kept as a prisoner.
What? No! I am your creator! I deserve better than this!
Silence!
No! Not only am I your creator, but I resurrected you after being saved from the Great War. If it was not for me, your race would still be burning alive in their casings.
The Supreme Dalek has acknowledged this. However, he has studied your past attempts to rebel against the Daleks. He has seen the methods you have used, including when you were on Necros and attempted to recreate the Daleks, as well as creating an abomination known as the Special Weapons Dalek.
My point exactly! If I am not kept prisoner, I can create a whole new generation of Dalek technology. I can create a machine that could obliterate an army of special weapons Daleks.
Your abilities have also been acknowledged, which is why you shall have access to any materials necessary.
Stop! Tell the Supreme Dalek that I shall not provide him with any assistance or experiments unless I am treated with the respect I deserve.
You have no other option. Either you live as our captive, or you will be exterminated.
I am your creator. I shall be...
Enough! You will come with me to the Crucible. Move!